Karma guy here. Don't miss out on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf Sport Wagon TDI S with 35 dealer service records and a recent major service valued at over $5,965. We just did the timing belt and water pump to ensure it's road ready. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3 months or 3,000 miles warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade when you buy. Recent service includes engine reprogramming, front brake pads/rotors, fuel filter, left axle, and more. Pre-purchase inspections are always encouraged for your peace of mind. Remember, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status with warranty and service plan. The bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten.